welcome to the channel. Today I am vlogging. We are going to Harrods, Knightsbridge, and we are buying my first ever pair of Louboutin heels. It is actually my stepdad's graduation gift, so I'm very happy, I'm very excited, and I'm very thankful. I'm really not too sure which pair I'm going for. Obviously I want to do the classic one, the Pigalle one, but I'm not too sure whether to get the nude one or the black one. I'm not too sure about the heel height as well, if I'm going for the 100 or the 85. So if you want to see what I'm getting, then keep watching.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could ride a lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.
So we are back home and this is the bag. I'll show you guys what. Okay, so it comes with the little bag, heel thingamajigs, a dust bag. So when I got there, I went straight to the Pigalle section and said, can I have the nude and the black in 100 in my size, which is UK 5. So I tried it on. They didn't have the nude in my size. So that was the universe saying, girl, go for the black. So I got the black ones. I got the black ones. They are, and I got them in 85 cm. Yeah, so I got the Pigalle black patent heels. Pigalle 85 patent calf in black, 37.5. For some weird reason, when I tried the 38, which is my actual size, which is a UK 5, it was a bit loose. Asked for a 37.5, which is a 4.5, I think. And it fit perfectly, and the lady did say that it may expand to 3 millimeters, I think. I tried to ask for the nude ones, but they didn't have it in my size, so I think I was really bound to have the black ones. I know that on my Instagram poll, people voted nude, like it was a landslide. Everyone wanted nude. I kind of wanted nude as well, but girl, and the family voted black as well. The 100 cm heel height looks so sexy, so slick, but I kind of found it hard to walk. I didn't want to trip and fall over when I'm there to get my diploma. So I just went and played safe with the 85, and they don't look that bad. Yeah, I can't wait to wear them on my graduation, which I hopefully will successfully vlog. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
We gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake face. Need you more when you go, I need you more